Hi, I'm Ruby Tui and I'm the working prop for the Ferns Sevens. To me, pressure is a privilege. Like, it's a privilege for me to be picked as one of the best in the country at Sevens. Like, are you kidding me? That's unreal, first of all. And, you know, along with the pressure comes opportunity for such glory. You can just do amazing things. You can break world records, you can change lives, you can do such amazing things. So pressure is actually a door to opportunity as well. If you have pressure in your life, embrace it, figure out ways to attack it, you know, make a little game plan, small little goals, one step at a time, and yeah, you might just open that beautiful door of opportunity. And I also remember that diamonds can only be made from pressure, otherwise they're just rocks in the ground.
So my name's Risaliana Todi Lane and I'm the halfback for Ferns Sevens. I think the growth that women's rugby in general has had over the past few years is massive, and the support that we're getting from outside of rugby, the wider rugby community, is a huge, I guess, gesture and, well, I wouldn't say proof, but just I guess it just shows the amount of love and support that women's rugby especially is getting nowadays.
Kia ora, I'm Sarah Hiddeny and I'm the captain of the Ferns Sevens team. I really think we're leading the way in equality in our sport, and we've been able to do that over the last 8 years to build the Ferns Sevens team into a fully professional program. We've also got a semi-professional Ferns program at the moment, and it's massive for us to be able to say that, and we know that there's still so much that we want to do, so much that we want to bring to women's rugby in New Zealand, but we think that, I suppose, being able to do that, then we can start building the development of everything else. And we've got a Wharapama Cup that gets played, a National Sevens program, the secondary schools, and the more that we then bring up the bottom and the middle, then everything else just keeps growing from there.